So we are at Rangtali 2025 and this is an exhibition. It is a one-day show only for today, 7 September, and it is at Beyond Gallery. जो ITC Narmadani सामे है. It has been curated by Arohi Events and they have a beautiful collection over here. They have about 9 to 10 brands that have come over here with their entire collection. Let's take a look at brands page here.
Hi, my brand name is Abha Attires.
So this is brand Swati Gandhi.
This is Meghna from Arohi Gems and Jewelry.
Hi, this is Guru Design Studio.
Hi, this is Zia's Ethnicity. Hi, this is brand Thread.
Hi, this is label Ikara.
This is brand Artistry by Smart Look Boutique.
Hi, this is Deno Clothing Studio.
So, one day show, 7 September, Beyond Gallery to ITC Narmadani Samesh. It has been curated by Arohi Events. Swipe left to see the collection.
Hi, my brand name is Deno Clothing Studio. મારી પાસે કિનીમાં ચાઇના ચોળી છે.
Something with kachhi patch.
પેચીસ પ્લસ કચ્છી પેચીસ સાથે મારી પાસે છે ખાટવર્કમાં.
Artwork સાથે પણ છે pieces. Okay.
પ્લસ લેસીસમાં ચણિયા ચોળી
Something in white.
પ્લસ હેન્ડવર્ક,
Handwork.
પ્યોર હેન્ડવર્ક.
Okay.
તમે આ કોઈ ફેસ્ટિવ વેરમાં બી પહેરી શકો.
Festive wear માં પણ પહેરાયેલા છે. Of course for Navratri also you can wear these. Okay. કેટલા મીટરનો ફ્લેટ છે
10
approximately?
મીટર ફ્લેર આવશે.
Okay. And they have lots of blouse options as well over here.
કચ્છી પેચીસ એન્ડ પ્યોર હેન્ડવર્ક.
Okay.
પેચીસ સાથે ખાટવર્ક છે. પ્યોર હેન્ડવર્ક આવશે.
Hi, my brand name is Artistry by Smart Look, and today we have a chaniya choli collection like this. In this bandage blouse and striper dupatta with kachhi patch.
Okay.
Then we have the black chaniya choli. In this mirror work is there, and દુપટ્ટો જે છે એમાં ખાટવર્ક કરેલું છે અને આવી રીતના બ્લાઉઝીસ સાથે તમે સેટ કરી શકો છો.
Mix and match with
હા,
blouse
મિક્સ એન્ડ મેચ
is
કરી
allowed.
શકો છો. દેન વી હેવ પછી આવી રીતે મરૂન રસ્ટ ચણિયા ચોળી છે જેની સાથે પ્રિન્ટેડ દુપટ્ટો છે, એમાં લેસ અને તોઈ અને લંબીનું કામ છે.
Okay.
પછી આ રીતનું થોડું છે જે તમે કોઈ વાર વેડિંગ ફંક્શનમાં કે કોઈની સંગીતમાં બી પહેરી શકો છો અને નવરાત્રિમાં બી પહેરી શકો છો.
અને એમની પાસે ઘણા જ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે when it comes to chaniya cholis, when it comes to blouses. You can see options like these. Okay. So this brand is called Artistry by Smart Look.
Hi, this is brand Ikara. So we have some contemporary pieces, something like I'm wearing in cotton. Then we also have like poppy red color. Then we have some bandhani pieces. This one.
Colors છે બાંધણીમાં.
Then we have some blouses in kachhi patch.
Blouses with kachhi patch. Okay.
Then we have some beautiful pastel color options in chaniyas
Pastel color options
with
છે with
mirror
mirror work.
detail. Here.
Okay. These are based on gaji.
Yeah, guys,
Gaji silk.
more chaniyas with mirror work.
અને લહેરિયા સ્ટાઇલ ચણિયાસ પણ છે એમની
We
પાસે.
also have some area.
Nice. Okay. And they have lots of options. This brand is called Label Ikara.
Hi, our brand name is Thread. We have all the collections like we have ombre collection.
Okay. So this brand is called Thread.
Thread. We have
Okay.
ombre collection. Then we have vintage collection.
Vintage collection.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we do have Kutchi collection.
કચ્છી કલેક્શનમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ છે. Okay. Something like this. Okay.
We do have cotton collection.
કોટનમાં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ અવેલેબલ છે.
એમાં 12 meter flare આવશે.
12 મીટર ફ્લેર આવશે. ઓકે.
પછી અમારી પાસે રેયોનમાં પણ છે. રેયોનમાં ડબલ કલર.
રેયોનમાં 2 layers, 2
Yeah.
colors. Okay. And they also have dupattas like these. તો બંધેજમાં તમને dupattas જોવા મળશે. And they have blouse options as well like these, something with a kachhi patch. You can see these are all the blouse options that she has over here.
Hi,
હાય એવરીવન, સો ધીસ ઇઝ ઝીરો ફ્રોમ ઝિયાઝ એથનિસિટી. સો આ વખતે અમારી પાસે ઓમ્બ્રે કલેક્શન છે અને આવી રીતના ગરજીમાં પણ કલેક્શન છે અને ઘણું બધું કચ્છી બ્લાઉઝીસમાં પણ છે. સો વી ડુ હેવ કલર્સ ઇન ધીસ. આ રીતના કલર્સ છે. પછી આવા મલ્ટી કલર્સમાં પણ છે. પછી કચ્છીમાં આ રીતના બ્લાઉઝીસ છે. આવું કોઈ જેકેટ સ્ટાઇલમાં બ્લાઉઝ જોઈએ તો એમ છે. પછી આમાં 10 મીટર્સનો ઘેરો આવશે, રેયોન પર છે. એમાં ઘણા બધા મલ્ટિપલ કલર્સ છે.
Okay. So lots of color options when it comes to chaniyas. They have some beautiful blouse pieces and they also have some menswear kurtas like these. Okay. And this brand is called Zia's Ethnicity.
This is Meghna here from ROE Gems and Jewelry. So today we have nice collection of earrings from Afghani to Indian and silver look like. We have this different designs and these are all Afghani statement neck pieces, chokers and aslis. We have silver look like fusion wear and small chokers for small girls also, teenage girls. Then we have a nice wedding collection, all designer wedding collection. And this is all fusion Indian jewelry. This is only fusion jewelry and some Indian and only bangles, earrings, finger rings and bracelets and American diamond jewelry.
Hi, this is Abha Attires. We have some white chaniyas, soi chaniyas. I have some in badla work as well. Then I have in ajrak, multicolours. I have in ombre as well, something in bright and pastel. Also I have plain chaniyas, solid colors, something in mull cotton. Also in gaji also I have.
Ketla meter no gher છે chaniyas?
I have 7 to 9 meters of flare. I have different type of blouses.
Okay.
Something like this, something like this. In Banarasi as well. Then in work, mirror work. Then I have in handwork as well. Also I have multiple options of dupatta. Like I have in ajrak, I have in bandhej, chiffon, again in gaji. So you can visit us at Beyond Gallery.
Hi, this is Swati Gandhi in the Swati Gandhi design label. This year we introduced the applique work, Gota applique work. Same we have something different in ajrak applique with badla chaniya. Applique blouse with Gota lace. Kutchi blouse with applique chaniya. I have some cotton 2-layer chaniya as well.
Something in ombre.
Something in ombre. And there are so many options in a variety of colors for the Navratri. There are nude pastel shades in a two shades badla.
And they have a couple of blouses as well.
We have vintage brocade blouse like this. Something like this.
Okay.
Same blouse in a gota, different colors. Ajak blouse.
And they have dupattas also.
We have applique dupatta as well. This is the applique dupatta, one she is wearing here.
Okay, so this brand is called Swati Gandhi.
Hello ma'am, Ronak here from Guru Design Studio. We have men's collection, kids collection as well chaniya jewelries. So first men's collection.
So men's collection માં છે hand painted pieces છે
We
એમની
can
પાસે.
customize as well.
Okay, moving
Then,
on to
yeah,
kids collection.
Yeah, kids court set है ये वाला. और ये वाला set.
Ages 3 to 7 but
3 to 7 है, but
sizes can be
Yeah,
customized.
size can be.
And mother daughter sets પણ
Yeah,
બનાવાઈ
और
શકે
full
છે.
family भी हो सकता है men's कुर्ता है.
અચ્છા, so
Yeah.
full family set પણ થઈ
Then we
શકે
have
છે.
long blouse,
Long blouse.
13 meter length.
13 meter flare. Okay.
We have spaghetti mirror work.
Spaghetti mirror work.
We have hand painted blouse.
Hand painted blouses માં પણ options available છે like these. Okay. All right. So this
Yeah.
brand is called Guru Design Studio.
Yeah.